And now it's time to start manipulating the nodes within the graph over here. The nodes menu, of course, is under color. Actually, the whole menu is about nodes. You have the nodes, how to add them. There are very many nodes that you can add. You can reset the nodes. These are the three options here. You can have some grading options. We'll see that later. And other options all about nodes and stories like this. Now also you can right click in the Canva, inside the Canva, and you have certain options here that you can use. Mainly the first one, but it has a shortcut you can always remember. You can also right click on a node, and you have several options here that you can use. We'll see them all. Notice something else also. We have selected this clip and we added several nodes and we added some effects and some grading. You notice here the clips that we didn't touch yet in the color page, they have their border for the clip number gray out. Okay, just gray. But the clip where we have added nodes and added a color grading or an effect, the border here is rainbow. So if you have this rainbow here, it means certain effects or grading has been worked on the clip. Now I will close the OpenFX and I want to reset the graph here. There are several ways to do it. You can go to the color here, go to reset. You can reset a selected node. So I will be resetting only this node that I have selected. It's this one over here. Or I can reset the grades and keep the nodes. And if you choose this option, here you are. Notice all the grading disappeared and the effects also, but the nodes still exist. In the timeline, you will notice that 01 clip, the one that we are working on, now the border is grayed out. It means no effect or grading has been applied to this clip. You can also come back to color and say reset all grades and nodes. The shortcut is Control Home or Command Home on the Mac. Or you can just come in the middle here in the Canva, right click and say reset all grades and nodes. Here you are. So now we are back to the initial state and there is only the initial node and no grading or effects have been applied to this clip.